So the ongoing West Indies white ball series against Ireland, plus the recent two-test series against Pakistan, plus Jamaica also played Ireland in a recent warm-up match. Just seeing cricket being played at the nation's Mecca wake up the maverick into asking, what the heck is happening with local cricket? We have had multiple international series. We've also had a full T20 Community League, courtesy of the SDC. What about official club cricket, parish cricket, or even schoolboy cricket in Jamaica? Do we still have a Jamaica Cricket Association with a president? I mean, we see what is happening with other major sports. We see track meets, we see champs, we see Premier League football, we see schoolboy football, all closer physical contact sports than cricket. It looks like cricket need a maroon leader. Seriously, the JCA must be the only local sporting body that is literally hiding behind a fence or a concrete wall, waiting for the pandemic to disappear. Yes. Instead of being proactive, see the JCA, a peep through the fence and a peep over the wall, and wait for COVID disappears. What are you doing?